Guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asking SBI Clerk 2022. So they have given two statements, statement 1 and statement 2, and these options they have given. We need to they have given one question, so I will just explain the question. Rupees 15,000 was distributed between A, B and C, D. Find the share of B. So 15,000, it is rupees are there, it is distributed for quantities A, B, C, D, and we need to find the share of B. And they have given two statements, statement 1 and statement 2. So we need to find the share of B. We can check whether we can find with statement 1 or statement 2, or combining two, or after combining two also we will not be find. So based on this option we need to choose. So in the first statement is with alone, the data in statement 1 is alone sufficient to answer the question, while statement 2 is not sufficient. Means in this they mentioned only by using statement 1 we can answer, statement 2 is not required. And second is the data in statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question, and statement 1 is not sufficient. Means in this dimension by using statement 2 only we can find the share of B. Statement 1 is not needed. So in the third they have mentioned the data in either statement 1 or statement 2. So by using individually statement 1 or 2 we can find the answer. So fourth they have mentioned the data given is both statement 1 2 are not sufficient. By using 1 also we will not able to find, and by combining 1 and 2 we will not able to find the answer of share of B. And the last option is the data in given both statement 1 and 2. So 1, by combining 1 and 2 we will be able to find the answer, find the share of B. So we will be able to find. So we'll just solve this. So rupees 50,000 were distributed between A and ABCD. So we'll just note down info. 15,000 were distributed. 15,000 distributed between A, B, C, D. So need to find the share of B. So statement 1 we will solve. A and B together received a 25% more than C. So A and B means A plus B received a 25% more than C. So A and B received 20% more than C, and B received a less than share 1000 share of A. So B received a minus 1000. So these two info they have given in statement 1. So A and B received 25% more than C, and B received rupees 1000 less than share of A. Means how much B received, whatever A received of is subtract 1000 rupees, it will be B. So we will first solve using this, whether we will be able to find the B. So A plus B is 25% more than C. So A plus B 25% more than C. So A plus B. So 25% more than C means we can do 125 by 100. So 125%. So 25% more than C means we can write it as 125% of value of C. So you can do this, or one more is C plus 25% of C. Both are same meaning. So just we can directly do 125 by 100. So 125%, or C plus 25%. So A plus B equal to, so here 1 plus, so we will take C common, 1 plus 25% of C. So both are same meaning only. So 25 by 100. C plus 25% of C. So here 100, 25 by 100. So 125 by 100 C. So 125 by 100 we can write it as 5 by 4. If you do by 25 it will be 5 by 4. A plus B equal to yeah, so we can write it as A plus B, here it is multiply C. So A plus B by C as 4. So by solving A plus B is 25 more than C, we have got this. But and one more info they have given, value of B received 1000 less than share of A. So B received 1000 less than A. So by using these two statements, we will not be able to find, because C is also there. So we can't find the value of B, since here A is also unknown and B is also unknown. So by using this, we will not able to find. So by using statement 1, we will not be able to find the value of B. So we need to find the B, find the share of B. So we, by using these two equation, we will not be able to find. So by using statement 1 alone, we will not able to find. So by using statement 2, we'll see the ratio of shares of D and C is 3 by 2. So ratio means it is D by C. So statement 2 I will write here. Statement 2, D by C equal to 3 by 2. So in the question they have given ratio of D and C is 3 is to 2. So it is D to C is 3 by 2. So we will use here ratio method. There are by using substitution method also you can do. So I'm, for simplification easy, it will be ratio method, so I will do it by ratio method. So here A plus B by C is 5 is to 4. So I will write it A plus B is to C is 5 is to 4. And here uh, D by C is 3 is to, so C by D will be, so C by D will be 2 by 3. So if we are reversing, so here also we will reverse. So C by D will be 2 by 3. So for, since here C is 4, so we will do here also 4. So we will multiply and divide by 2. So it will be 4 by 6. Since here A plus B by C is 5 is to 4, so afterwards means we will can do, but here also I am doing it. So we are making value of C as equal. So I am multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 2 is 6. So C is to D is 4 is to 6. Since I divide by 2, because here already C is 4. So A plus B is 5 and C is 4. So I multiply and divide by 2, because I need to convert the value of C as 4. So I will just write here A plus B C equal to 5 is to 4 and C is to D is 4 is to 6. If I combine this, I can write A plus B C is to D, so 5. Since C is C equal, so 4 I can directly write and D as 6. So A plus B is 5, C is 4 and here C 4. So I have equated the C value as 4. So directly I can write it as A plus B C D as 5. 4 is same for C and D as 6. So A plus B C D is 5, 4, 6. So we have found up to this. So here we can write, by using ratio I can find the value of B. So A plus B we can write. So for how we can find for A plus B, the individual parts divided by total parts into how much they distributed. So for A plus B, individual part is 5 and total parts should be 5 into 6 is 11, 11 into 4 is 15. This is individual parts divided by total parts into how much they distributed in ABCD. Rupees 50,000 was distributed between ABCD. So 50,000 I will write here. So if we solve this, it will come 5 ones are 5 threes are and 3 5s. So it will come out to be 5,000. So by using ratio method, I will solve this. For A plus B, we will find. I am doing for A plus B because in the question we need to find the share of B. So we need to find the value of B. So for that purpose, I am doing only for A plus B. So A plus B will be individual parts is 5 and total will be sum of this into how much they distributed. So 5,000. So for A plus B, they have distributed 5,000. So remaining total 15,000. So 5,000 they distributed A plus B. For C plus D they have distributed 10,000, because out of 15,000, 5,000 for A plus B. For C plus D it will be 10,000. So total, so that total can be 15,000. For A plus B, it is 15,000. So here we need one more equation, A plus B. From his we can find, but one more they have mentioned. The B received a rupees 10,000 less than share of A. So B received a rupees 10,000 less, rupees 1,000. So B received a rupees 1,000 less than share of A. So B received a 1,000 less than A. So we can write this as, so B A minus A. So we can modify this equation as A minus B equal to 1,000. Since if we take here plus B, here it will become minus, here it is minus 1,000, so here it will be plus 1,000. So I just rearrange it. A minus B equal to 1,000. So I will write here A minus B equal to 1,000. So here we can call this as equation 2. So A plus B is 5,000, A minus B is 1,000. So if I directly add, we can get the value of A. So we will substitute and get the value of B. So if I directly add, here plus B minus B will cancel. So A plus A is 2A, and 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6,000. So A equal to 6,000 divided by 2. So value of A is 3,000. But in equation they asked a share of B. So we want to find the value of B. So for A it is 8,000. So we will substitute it in any of the equation 1 or 2. So I will substitute in equation 1. A plus B is 5,000. So value of A is 3,000 plus B equal to 5,000. So value of B is 5,000 minus 3,000. So value of B will be 2,000. Value of B is 2,000. So share of B is 2,000 rupees. So uh, uh, we, uh, we we found the value of B is, so by using combining statement 1 and statement 2, we were able to find the value of B. So by using statement 1 also, some info from 1 also, we have from some info from statement 1 and some info from statement 1. By combining all this, we have got the value of B. So our correct answer will be from here. The statement 1 allows sufficient. Statement 2 is, so this is the wrong. Statement 2 also we have used info. So here statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer, the statement 1 is not. So this is also incorrect. So in the statement, the data in either statement 1 or statement 2 alone. So by using individual, we are able to solve this is saying. So this is also incorrect. So both we needed. And here they are the data given in both statement 1 and 2. So both are not sufficient saying. So means we will not be able to find. It is saying option D. So this is also wrong. So here they have mentioned the data given in both statement 1 and 2 are necessary. So means by using statement 1 and statement 2, if we combine, then we will get the value of B. So this one is correct. So it is saying correct. So correct option will be E. So this is the way to solve the case. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in chat. Thank you.